the trick bow. I've got a new ride here. It's a 2008 E-Z-GO TXT 36 volt. We liked it because it was kind of unique. It's got the green upholstery. Kind of got the green theme going on, green stripes. Let me get this cover off of it. I'm going to do a few modifications to it today, and thought maybe I'd like to watch while I do it. I'm going to install this ProFit tinted economy windshield on my 2008 golf cart. This one is the part number PF12646. I think this was right around $110. It looks pretty easy to install. Mine's the E-Z-GO TXT. So let's get this put on and see how it looks. It already had the lift and the wheels and tires on it. It's got the rear seat that carries extra people, and then it folds down. So you can haul things on it. And this one's got the tail lights and headlights. It's got that light bar at the bottom there. And it really has a long range. We haven't run the battery down yet. We've been probably, I don't know, 10 miles at least. And at one time we had 6 people, 4 adults and 2 children. So it seems to be pretty, got a long range. Anyway, let me get this, I'm trying to put this windshield on it. It's one of those fold down windshields. The last time we had it out, we were driving to and from our campsite into town, and it was sprinkling rain, and that rain was just coming right through here and hitting us in the face. So we decided to put a windshield on it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've also got some side mirrors I'm going to put on it. Okay, these are the bottom pieces that hold the permanent part of the windshield. They snap over this roof support. There's one for both sides. So let me get those snapped on there. I don't know if all these uprights are the same width or not, but you can kind of adjust these by not pushing them under the plexiglass all the way, because it seems to be a little bit too narrow if I push it all the way down. And this is it's an E-Z-GO golf cart, but it says it's got a Yamaha top on it, so I don't know if maybe that makes it a different width or not. But after I get these on here, then I need to push them over these uprights. Okay, I run into a problem. These pieces that slide over this upright are too shallow to snap around it. It's like they're too wide and they're too thick. I've got it sitting where it needs to sit, and the windshield fits good. It follows the contour of the golf cart, but I've got to figure out what I'm going to do about these. And on the bottom, you have to drill a hole and then put this grommet in here to where that windshield sits on it. Keep it from coming down anymore. So I guess I can go ahead and do that. Okay, I've got the holes drilled on both sides. So now that goes like that for the windshield to sit on. Yeah, this is definitely thicker than what they had in mind, because this bolt doesn't go all the way through. I've had to modify this thing. I had to get a longer bolt, and the only one I could find was a little bit too long, and it's a Allen head, but that's okay. These are some license plate inserts that go into the bumper. I just trimmed the snap-in part off, kind of take up some extra space. But I think that'll work pretty good. Let me get the other side done. Okay, what I'm going to do on this piece here, since it's too narrow, plus it's not deep enough, I cut this outside edge. I just cut it off of it, and then I'll go in here with some self-tapping screws and secure that to the inside of the window frame. I still got to do it on the other side. See, that won't, there's no way that'll snap over it. So I'm cutting this outside edge off and then securing this inside edge. That should hold it just fine. This piece here cuts pretty easy. You can kind of see a line there where the two parts meet. So what I did, I scored a line. Along there. And then I kind of bent it over. I have to score it again. And there it goes. Hopefully, if any of you do this, you won't have to make as many modifications as I have. But I guess this 2008, I don't know what all they've done to it. So I guess it's to be expected. Okay, I think I've got it. I just put two self-tapping screws on either side. And some people like to peel plastic off things. I don't know why. It doesn't do anything for me. Somehow they get a sense of satisfaction. See the top one? It goes up, and then these fit over there, and I think they're loose enough and big enough to where they fit okay. Okay, there it is. So you can leave it down like that until it starts raining, or if it's cold, and keep the wind out of your face. Just lock these in behind here. There, it seems to be nice and sturdy. Then it's got these blocks down here to catch this top lip whenever you fold it down. Well, it wasn't exactly a bolt-in installation. Had to modify a few things, but it turned out pretty good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye.